It just screws onto the back. Dave here, how are you? I have here a Domino XL. It's also known as a DF-700. Now I've been using this a lot building projects, and the last project I built with it was a Lutyens bench. Beautiful bench for out in the garden. I'll show you a quick pic. One of the things I did, which was interesting, was all of the armrest pieces of timber, I made the same profile as a 14mm domino. The part that was a challenge was because the back of this bench was leant back at 6 degrees, I had to create a plunge with the domino that went in not at your normal 90 degrees, but 84 degrees. And I did that using a wedge. But the main thing I want to talk about was how I held the machine in position whilst I did that. Now, Festool supply this, and this is a stabilizing piece that screws on to the back of the base of the domino. And ordinarily, that's fine. But I wanted something that's going to give me more support here, and I could actually clamp it down. So TSO's BigFoot to the rescue. I've had this for quite a while. And it goes onto there, and you can see straight away how much more area this gives me for stabilizing. And it worked brilliantly. I actually clamped this down onto the project while I was doing it. I'll show you some video now of the BigFoot in action, holding onto the domino, clamped down onto this wedge section, the domino plunging through the wedge into the actual job that I was creating the mortises for these armrest pieces to go into. Just makes it so much easier to be able to clamp this in position. There's no chance of it rocking around at all. It worked a treat. I do have links in the description box below, and I will let you know that I do have an affiliation with TSO products as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and keep on coming back. I'll see you next time. It just screws onto the back. That's it. Not too hard.